You're watching a recap from Investor XP, the show that covers investing for gamers. Check out the video description for details. It is Thursday, May 25th, and we got a great show for you today coming up. We are looking at Momo dropping, Chinese, basically they are the equivalent of Snapchat. We're going to look at investing in companies at the startup level. Best Buy is taking off today. And we're going to continue with our food stocks, check out what pick that is. And some indie games are coming out tomorrow. We're going to take a look at those. So all of those are going to be individual videos posted up on YouTube today. And that's what we got coming up if you're watching live. So let's go ahead and jump right in. We started the week off with a story about Best Buy. We looked at Best Buy, Take-Two, and GameStop because their earnings were coming up this week. And we talked about Best Buy and how it could have a big bump. Ultimately, I said, I'm going to sit on the sidelines, see what happens with Best Buy. Don't want to get into too many retails because I own GameStop, and that's the path we like. We think Best Buy is a little too big storefront-wise. We like the smaller retail plays going forward in the future. And boy, did I miss out because Best Buy is on fire today. So let's take a look at what's going on over with Best Buy. I'll pull up their stock here. Not afraid to admit I missed another one. I think at one point they were up 18%. Let's see where they're sitting right now. Oh, geez. Talk about missing out. Boy, Monday to sit there and say there could be some big movement. Boy, it could happen, but I'm gonna sit on the sideline. And then there it is, 20% bump. Best Buy is on fire. Whoa, that's a good chunk of change you could make on a trade, certainly. And what's the driving force of this? Well, it's the Nintendo Switch. Video game sales are what's boosted it higher. They had a better than expected results this morning that they announced, and it was driven from the sale of the Nintendo Switch was one of the big contributed factors. So, what's that going to do with games?
Let's see.
So far, GameStop is up 3%. They report after the market closes, which is coming up here in a couple hours. So GameStop pulled back earlier in the week. We talked about that video yesterday. Now they're up because of the strong earnings report from Best Buy. So it'll be interesting to see what action happens with GameStop after hours. Another one that was a real shocker today was Sears. Sears was up in the 20s today. A lot of people have taken profit, as you can see, throughout the day. Sears spiked, and people are taking the profits and getting out of Sears there. I could go a couple of steps and draw something inappropriate, but I'm not going to. Here's Sears. They had a huge spike because they had better than expected results, a smaller loss on them. So, as you can see, spiked up today. People were taking their profits and going. Big movement on the retails. The retail stocks have been getting hammered lately. Everyone's, death of retail. Well, Best Buy just, wiped the floor with it. They're through the roof. Let me know what you think about retail plays that are out there right now. A lot of them got beaten down. A lot of them are still getting beaten down because they haven't seen the same sales growth year over year, store-to-store comparisons and things like that. Best Buy just had their first growth here. Very surprising to people, and we got a 20% pop. Let me know what you think of other retail plays that are out there that are waiting just to just a pop like Best Buy, possibly at next quarter earnings that they have out there. So interested to hear your picks on what you think with some of these retail plays that are out there. I think they're beaten down. We could have some buys. Let's see what GameStop does earlier today. Or later today, sorry. That's it for today's show. Thanks for watching. You can contact the show. Info's behind me on the screen. Shoot us an email, tweet us. Check out our website, investorxp.com. Join us each day, Monday through Friday. We're live, 1:30 Eastern, 12:30 Central, talking about investing for gamers. So thank you for all the subs we've been getting lately. Really appreciate the subscriptions. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe so you get the latest investing news for gamers. Give us a thumbs up, leave us some feedback, trying to grow the channel. Really appreciate the people who watch live and all the people that check out our channel as we post them up on YouTube with the videos. So thanks for watching, and we will see you tomorrow.